Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to teach you guys what I have learned about negotiating and settling that's with credit card companies. So I then got so many credit cards and then I messed them up, you guys. So I had to go and settle some of these credit card debts, and then a lot of them I didn't settle. I never got sued for them, but I just got them removed from my credit reports. So I'm going to teach you guys like how to remove accounts from your credit reports. I have like a sample settlement letter, and then I'm going to teach you guys what you can say and then how to look up these companies so that you can contact them and think about settling some of these debts. Now, let me say this. I only focus on debts that were on my credit reports. So if I got a letter in the mail, like a letter from a company saying, hey, Rickita, we have a new debt with you. You got 30 days to respond, or we're going to assume that it's yours. We're going to put on your credit report. I only focus on those. And I think that you guys should do the same thing. Sometimes people try to go and like search for debts. Like they go deep into trying to find all these debts. Focus on the ones that's on your credit reports. Get your credit together. And when a company sends you a letter threatening to put on your credit reports, then you can respond to them and stop them from putting on your credit reports. Because to me, I only cared about my credit. That's all I cared about. I cared about it being on my credit. If it wasn't on my credit, it technically wasn't affecting me, right? Or also, some people may be getting garnished. They may have a possibility of being garnished too. Those will be things that make you want to get off your butt and like get it done. So let's go over what I think that you guys should do. We're going to focus on like collections. We're going to talk about some charge-offs too, because I've dealt with charge-offs. I have settled some also. So we're going to talk about those also. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and put those questions down below in the comments. So this right here is a collection letter. So this letter right here is actually this package. Is a package of letters. Like if you go to my website, Rickita.com, you'll be able to see all of the letters that's in the package. It's 6 letters total, and you get it for less than $30. You can get all 6 letters. These are used to remove collections from your credit reports. I have some for charge-offs, bankruptcy, student loans. I have like a lot of different packages out there. Go there and check them out. So we're going to go down to the first letter that you'll have to mail into the credit bureau. So you want to find out like what accounts are on your credit reports that you need to get removed. So I listed some sample accounts down here. These are not real accounts. This is just fake information just so you guys can be able to, this is just an example for you guys to be able to learn. So these are like the names of the accounts. So we have Med Data Systems, that's a collection, Midland Funding, and then Midland Credit Management. These are all collections that's on the credit reports, right? So these are the ones that you want to get deleted. So find out like which credit bureau that is listed on and send in a dispute letter to remove these from your credit reports. I have a lot of videos showing you all how to go through the process and actually fill it out. We filled this out in the video, so I show you like you can look up Rickita, how to delete student loans from credit reports, how to delete collections, and you'll be able to see all of this. But you want to find out which credit bureau is listed on and mail a letter to them and keep fighting them to remove it. And now sometimes when you, sometimes you do that, they don't want to delete it. So you may want to go a step further and send like a settlement letter to the company. So say if we're dealing with Midland, you may want to send a settlement letter to them. And I found one right here on the internet that you guys can send out. I'm going to show you a better way, but some people want to send out a letter, so you can send out a letter just like this basically. And all you want to just do is you want to list your first and last name, your address, and then you want to put like the name of the account and the account number on there. And then you just letting you know that, hey, you're writing about some money which they're claiming that you owe, and then you said that I can confirm that I'm unable to pay the money which I owe in full, and then let them know why you can't pay it. Say, hey, I have a lot of debts. I have 10 of these on my credit reports. I have all these different things. There's no way I can pay it. But then you want to say this, however, you can raise and put the amount of money that you could give them, put that on there, and you will offer that in full and final settlement of the account. And you can go in and you can keep all this on here. What I would like to do if I were you, I would just take some of this and just type my own quick little letter out. And then on there, you want to let them know that you want to do it in exchange for them deleting the account from your credit reports too. So that's another thing. If they agree to this, you want them to remove the account from your credit reports, and you can send this to them, and you can send it to them certified. So that's something that you can do. This is on a national deadline. To me, this letter is a little bit too long. I will make it really short, sweet, and I will probably handwrite it just so that they'll see that it's real. Just say, hey, I see that you guys say I owe a debt on my credit reports. I do not have the money that you're claiming that I owe you, but I could try to see if I can borrow some money from a few family members. I probably can come up with $300 to pay this $1,000 debt. If this is something that, I'll be willing to give you the money if you're willing to settle the debt out. And delete the account from my credit reports. If this is something that you're willing to do, please mail me a letter back stating that you're willing to delete the account from my credit reports with that payment, and then I will send payment right away. That's something I will put, just as simple as that, and just mail it out, and I will send it out certified mail. Now, what I really like to do, honestly, you guys, I like to just call them and I just talk to them, and I don't agree that it's my debt. I say, hey, it's an account that you have on my credit reports. I have to get this off my credit reports because my credit score is just too low, and I can't get approved for, I would just like an apartment or something. I won't say, oh, I'm buying a house or I'm doing all this. I would just say I can't get approved for an apartment, something basic. And what I like to do is I just like to look up the company. So an example of this is Portfolio Recovery. So you can just look up Portfolio Recovery. This is a collection company. I actually settled one of my accounts with Portfolio Recovery. After I settled, they came back and was like, you got another account. And I'm like, that is not on my credit reports. I'm not settling with you. You're going to have to keep that forever. I don't care. And you can't sue me, so I don't care. But you can look up the company and go to their website. So I'm going to go to their website. And then you can have all the information. So they have contact and frequently asked questions. So we're going to go there, and you can have their contact information. And usually a lot of the time their contact information is at the bottom. You can contact them. But what I want to show you about them is some companies, as soon as you settle the debt, you don't have to send them a letter. If you come up with an agreement on the phone with them and you settle that debt and pay it, they'll automatically delete that account from your credit reports. So if you see right here, you'll see, with Portfolio Recovery, remove the account from our credit reports after it is resolved. So they said your account will be considered paid in full. Oh my gosh, your account will be considered paid in full or paid in full for less than the full balance after your final payment is successfully posted. Within approximately 30 days of your final payment successfully posting, we will request that the credit reporting agencies delete our trade line. So they're going to request that it be deleted from your credit reports. And I can vouch that they definitely will delete it. Now, some companies will say, hey, we need you to pay 50% of the debt, 60% of the debt. Talk to them. And if they don't have a price that you're willing to pay, you can get off the phone with them and say, hey, I don't even think this is my debt anyway. This is not even my debt anyway. I was just trying to settle this out so I can get this over with, because you guys are violating me, and then you can hang up. And then you can wait for them to send you something in the mail, or you can call back the next month and see if they have a price that you're willing to pay. But that's what you would do to settle out those debts that's on your credit reports. Again, you can always dispute it. If an account get deleted, honestly, I'm not calling them to settle out certain debts, especially if they're older debts. I'm not calling them to settle it. Once it's deleted, that is settlement to me. Like, they can't hurt you anymore. But if it's one of them debts where it just came on your credit reports, they could sue you. They're known for suing you. You may want to settle that out, because a lot of times what they're going to do is, once it's deleted, they're going to sell it to a new company, and then that new company is going to put it on your credit reports. So keep that in mind, you guys. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And then don't forget, for those dispute letters, you can go to Rickita.com. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, I have something called the 60 points in 60 days. You can get a free dispute letter there. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.